BEA's Mounting Box EBA is a surface mount pushplate box that allows for easy battery access in wireless applications, reducing maintenance time for transmitter battery replacement. A locking screw secures the box to the mounting plate. A unique two-piece design ensures easy installation, allows for quick battery replacement compared to standard mounting boxes, eliminates the need to disassemble the pushplate from the box, and improves wireless transmitter accessibility compared to small change-out compartments. The Mounting Box EBA is compatible with all BEA 4.75-inch square pushplates and accessories. In addition, it accommodates any BEA wireless battery-powered transmitter. Contact your BEA sales representative or visit beainc.com to learn more about BEA's Mounting Box EBA.